It's a 2013. It's got 45,000 miles on it. Fun times.
These make good track cars. Are you the first owner?
I'm a fourth owner.
Fourth owner.
Isn't that crazy?
Yeah.
I know. I came from Chicago. Never got driven that much, obviously. People just drive them in nice weather, typically. So, still other things I want to do to it. I want to put a tune in it. I thought about supercharging it.
What kind of exhaust is that?
What I did is I went with an X pipe to eliminate the back resonator that goes like sideways. I put an X pipe in, and then I put Fab Speed black tips in it. So good times, I'll tell you.
Thank you for your.
Oh, you're very welcome. Nice talking to you both.